मेल एक्टर का नाम लिया आपने, कोई ऐसे मेल एक्टर जिनके अच्छे लगे?
मेल एक्टर्स जिनको मुझे शाहरुख खान, आई लव ऋतिक, हिज है, या आई थिंक, सॉरी यार तुम लोग
तो देखेंगे आज या जब भी टाइम मिला आपको फ्री होंगी तो पेंटिंग ले जाकर उन्हें, बिकॉज
क्या
अच्छे लगे।
कल तुम लिखोगे परी जा रही है शैम्पू गिफ्ट करने,
अगर बोलेंगी तो हम लिख देंगे।
आई थिंक
ओके, डिफरेंट फिल्में हम आप कभी इश्क जादे तो कभी दावत इश्क, बट डिफरेंट हेयर स्टाइल में कभी नहीं दिखाई देती है परिंतियां चोपड़ा, ऐसा क्यों?
शायद आपने वो पिक्चरें देखी नहीं है, लेकिन हंसी तो बसी अगर आपने देखी है तो उसमें मेरे बॉय कट था और उसके बाद ऐसे अप्रोक्सीमेटली ऐसे बाल थे, और दावत इश्क में मेरे कुछ इतने लंबे बाल हैं, इससे अलग मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती। इतने बाल और इतने बाल के बीच में जितना है इतना ही मैं कर पाई। अगर मैं लाल कलर के बाल रखूंगी आपके लिए।
परिणीति, हाय अभिषेक। परिणीति,
yes,
hi.
hello, how are you?
All good.
हाँ.
परिणीति, just the way you mentioned that had you not lost your job in Procter & Gamble because of the recession, then do you think you would have been an actress, or you would have probably been like a marketing personnel out there and would have never pursued?
No, I'm saying this, that if it wasn't for the recession, I would, let alone acting, I would have never come back to India. I wanted to settle. I had gone there because of that, and recession नहीं होता तो मैं भी में काम कर रही होती. Not in marketing at all. I wanted to be an investment banker. I'm a banker by profession, by qualification. What am I saying? By qualification. So I would have never come back here.
Hi, Parin.
Sorry, just 2 minutes. I can't hear also. Ji.
Just continue with the previous question. Actually, you said experimenting with hair. In case if you are getting a very good role, the hair will have to go bald. Actually, so would you be?
100%. What are you saying? 100%. For me, I don't think like that. If I believe in the script, so whatever they're saying, I will be. He didn't have to think, I will have to do prosthetic makeup. It went with the role, so then you don't differentiate between these things. I mean, at least I think like that. I would not do a film because there is some drastic step that I have to take.
You have to shave your hair. I mean, within real impact. So that would be a very daring event.
No, not really. But if the role was so powerful and the script was so powerful that I could to me as an actor, I would not even think about it. बाल उग जाएंगे यार वापस क्या है 6 महीने आ जाएंगे वापस.
Pariniti here. I'm good. Hope the same for you. So I wanted to just complimented Alia Bhatt's hair, and we just saw that her video has gone viral. Again, you're playing a sport as much as she did. So can you tell us a little about the interaction back then?
In fact, in that video, we are not friends.
Yeah.
I mean, the role is that I'm a competitor. I'm this bitchy actress who doesn't like Alia and all. That was the fun of it, and it was so much fun because all those people who were involved, Alia, me, Arjun, Karan, and Shapon who's directed it. Also, AIB now have become friends. Tanmay, Rohan, etc. We're all like a bunch of friends, and they thought of doing this video, and they had all decided. And in fact, I think they only thought of me to do that part. And in fact, they thought I would probably say no, because I think most actors would say no, that I don't want to be part of a video which is actually about Alia. But when they told me, I laughed so much. I was like, of course I'm doing it. And we weren't able to find time, and we did it in the middle of the night. But that's what I'm saying. If you're convinced that you have to do something, you don't have to really think about it. And I think the great thing is, the only risk was that people wouldn't take it in the right way. People might think I'm actually bitchy, or people might think that Alia is actually being so dumb. But the point of the video was to do it in jest. And I'm glad that you know, everybody's understood it for the intention that it was made for, you know, and I'm glad nobody's misunderstood the video. That's a great thing that's happened.
Hi, Parineeti.
Hi, ma'am.
आपने अभी तक अपनी लाइफ में शैम्पू कितनी कंपनियों के यूज किए?
I think जब मुझे नॉलेज नहीं थी तो जो भी सबसे सस्ता होता था वो मैं खरीद लेती, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। लेकिन आई थिंक आप भी रियलाइज करते हैं कि यार आपको एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट जो आपको वो चाहिए, जो बालों के ambassador, because actually my mom recommended it, and then I had to also get offered to be the face. Yeah, so I use only one because now I know it suits my hair. But otherwise, I've used millions before I knew what was good for me.
पेंटीन के लिए आपको चूज किया, इसका रीजन आप क्या मानते हो?
Sorry,
पेंटीन के लिए आपको चूज किया, इसका रीजन आप क्या मानते हो?
The end of my life. Sorry, again, बिल्कुल correct पूछना. हाँ, Pantene ने
आपको चूज किया,
हाँ,
तो इसका रीजन आप क्या मानते हो?
क्यों किया है भाई, बताओ? They love my hair. Yeah, you know, it's so funny. You know, there's one company, and see, also because I used to work at P&G, so I know how they work. पीछे से वो लोग कैसे चूज करते हैं लोग. But honestly, अगर वो मुझसे मिलते और उनको लगता कि नहीं इसके बालों का कुछ नहीं हो सकता, they wouldn't have signed me on. They really want to believe. They use no hair extensions. They don't do any color pigmentation to make it look brighter. Nothing. They do no fake tricks, which many people do. Which I think is so cool of them, you know. I could easily say, no, listen, I only wear long hair extensions to make my hair look long or wear a long wig. Nothing. What you see in the ad is 100% real. The way they've shot it, it's amazing. They always, in fact, sometimes you have to fight. You know, sometimes you have to say, I'm not looking good in this shot, but they say, no, but it's the real shot, so we want to use it. You know, so I think that they must have chosen me for some kind of honesty, compatibility that they must be finding. That's what I feel.
We'll take that as the last question. Thank you.
Yeah. Parineeti, you just said कि आपको बहुत पसंद है ऋतिक और शाहरुख के बाद, तो मेरे ख्याल से ऐसी है कि आप इंस्टेंटली तुरंत पूछती होगी जरूर कि अरे यार कौन सा शैम्पू यूज करते हो, तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ हमसे? आपने उनके सीक्रेट जानने की कोशिश की कि बाल इतने अच्छे कैसे हैं, शैम्पू यूज करते हैं?
नहीं, वो बहुत बड़े स्टार्स हैं, उनसे
आप ऐसी नहीं है, आप ना पूछे अरे यार.
लेकिन जो आप ले रही हैं उनके सामने जाके ऐसी बातें नहीं निकलती.
really?
या उनके सामने जाके You don't think so? I'm telling you, this is the truth. That नहीं, मैंने उनसे जाके शैम्पू नहीं पूछा, but अब आपने मुझे बोला है तो मैं उनसे पूछूंगी. मैं उनसे पूछूंगी. No, that's not really happened. बट मुझे डिस्टिंक्टली याद है कि होली के बाद मतलब 10 दिन तक बाल नॉर्मल नहीं होते थे. हमेशा लगता था कि बहुत कड़क है, बिकॉज हम लोग पक्का रंग यूज करते थे. हम लोग बहुत, क्योंकि मैं अम्बाला से हूँ तो वहां पे बहुत पक्की होली खेली जाती है. सो दैट्स ऑल आई रिमेम्बर. अदरवाइज अभी तक इट्स नॉट गॉन रॉन्ग. या बिकॉज ऑल्सो वी वर्क विद एक्सपर्ट्स, जिन लोगों को मतलब ये लोग सालों से ये कर रहे हैं, तो वो लोग पहले ये सोचते हैं कि हमारे बाल खराब नहीं होने चाहिए. सो अभी तक ऐसा नहीं.
परिणीति, कभी आपने सोचा ये ये जो बॉटल के ऊपर स्टार बने होते हैं, लाइक डैमेज प्रोटेक्शन, देन उसके बाद छोटा सा स्टार है, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? कभी आपने जानने की कोशिश की? बॉटल के ऊपर देखिए
ये, हाँ, टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस, राइट?
वो क्या है?
इज इट टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस?
मैं उनसे जानना चाहता हूँ, कभी उन्होंने पूछा, सोचा, समझा इसके बारे में?
हाँ, तो बॉटल की रिसर्च करने के बाद, जो मैं रोज करती हूँ 3 घंटे, पता है आंसर. यू नॉट सेड दिस, दिस इज माय आंसर. सो स्टार का मतलब ये होता है. नहीं, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था. नॉर्मली अच्छा, by the way, जब मैं PNG पे थी तो पैकेजिंग was also part of my job. And normally a star is terms and conditions apply. As part of any legal contract, you all know that if they say, अरे 3 दिन में ये होगा, they'll always put a star saying 4 दिन भी हो सकते हैं, 3 दिन का 3 दिन मत बोलना. This in particular, because they are claiming, it's a claim, I think you have to give a clause where you say that, you know, these are that may have. She's saying that this is where the research has come from, that is the source of research.
Well. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pariniti, for giving us your time, supporting us on this. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, for